Hello everybody, my name is ICoexist, and I am the one who is inactive as heck. Anyways, hi. Today I wanted to upload a little video, kind of more of a public service announcement type thing in my bopper jigger. It turns out that this was sent to me today in a Discord, and we all know how great Discord is. That's not the sound I wanted that to make, but whatever. Anyways, I'm pretty sure we all use Discord by now. It's 2017. Discord has evolved and, is pretty much replacing Skype and all the other type things. Anyways, I have a GTA community, and someone came in there today and was like, "Hey guys, everyone should totally check out these things I made," and yada yada. I'd love to show you the actual conversation, but when you bring down the ban hammer on someone, unfortunately, it kind of just deletes their message history as well. But I managed to keep the link that they shared, and as you can see, this is GTAV shared by Oliver Todd. So if you see this person in your Discord, he's just gonna have the Discord tag of Oliver followed by something. Just watch out for this person if they try to get you to download anything like that. But today I figured I would raise awareness for, being gullible, I suppose is the word, and downloading stuff thinking that it was going to be perfectly fine. This guy was advertising it as a crack for GTA. Now, I've already looked at the code for this, which is the reason why he got banned in the first place, and it's actually not bad, as in it's not going to actually destroy your system in any way. But it is just a big troll, and I don't appreciate people doing that in my Discord server. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to download these, and we are going to run these. Now, for the sake, we're going to go ahead and take a snapshot. I'm going to call it snapshot 3 B4 scripts, whatever. Let's take a quick snapshot. I do believe that did it? Hello? Oh, I guess I finished it. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to download all of these because I want to make sure that I'm downloading them and don't have them already stored, so I can't be said that I changed them in any way. And we're just going to kind of look at them and see what they do. And then we're just going to run it fully and see what happens. So hopefully, just by reading it, we will be able to figure out what it's doing and all of that. Now, this is not no 1337 hackser type stuff. This is just a troll that someone might send you. It's not too bad, but I cannot guarantee that if you get sent something like this, that it's not actually bad. So I guess there are nicer trolls out there. This could be a lot worse. Okay, they could actually take over your computer. They could install a keylogger, etc. So that's kind of why I'm bringing this up. So, Discord Safety 101. So let's go ahead and start downloading these. These are some great names. Config.vbs. Delicious. Yes, let's download all the VBS. Give me that. Give me that. Oh yeah, thank you. All these ads. Yes, I would love to keep that. Ooh, GTAV crack.vbs. Oh yes, give me this as well. I want all the VBS files that I could possibly get. If I could just download. Oh, what are you? Oh, hello. Go away. Jeez. Come on now. You can do it. You know what I probably shouldn't do is have Arrow turned on in a VM. That's probably not the best. But you wouldn't know it's a VM, would you? Yeah. Smart. Alright, so we got GTAV crack. Alright. Let's move on to GTAV.bat. Oh, now we changed to bat. Wow. Gonna download this. Gonna download. Give me. Yes, keep. And, sure, let's download the README. I'm really curious as to what the README says. Come on. And the README. Alright, so we've got everything downloaded. Oh, hello. Hello, Music Times. Let's go to our downloads here. And here we go. We've got the README, that, and that. So let's just move that to desktop here. Let's focus on these, shall we? Let's read the README, because obviously we're going to read it. All you do is open the file folder and click GTA vcrack and then go through the install wow, good way to say process. The proxies. I don't even know how to say that if you were to spell it that way. Enjoy. Okay, sure. Yeah, no problem. I'm really considering. No, I don't want to run them now because then I couldn't go through them. Let's just take a look at GTA V, shall we? Alright, so at echo off, go to start config.vbs, go to start. So this is just looping. Yeah, that's just looping. So let's go over to config then. AAA, you didn't say the magic word. AAA. And X message box, that's just a message box that'll pop up, kind of like an error message. Yeah, that's all it is. So let's look at the config then, shall we? Oh, not config. Let's look at the crack. That's where the interesting. Oh, here we go. Now we got some stuff. Alright, so if I were to run this, this is what we should expect. Would you like to download GTA V? And I feel like these are icons. I don't know. I don't remember exactly how this stuff works. But I think that's an icon. And then it says whatever. And then it'll say downloading, blah, 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 blah. Error, this file is infected with a type 3 Trojan horse. I don't even know what a type 3 Trojan horse, thanks. And then it's going to spit out errors. Well done, idiot. Oh, thanks. Now I'm an idiot. Oh, no. It's going to open up a shell script or something. Something of another. Whatever. Screw it. We're going to pop up another message box. It's going to say critical. Your system is severely affected by multiple threats. To abort all processes, press abort. To scan again, press retry. To continue all processes, click ignore. Virus found by Windows Defender. Oh no, not Windows Defender. Jeez, this is Windows 7. We don't even have Windows Defender. What are you talking about? Alright, it's going to sleep for 2 seconds. And it's going to come back saying Windows failure in Windows directory. And then here's where it's going to get really fun, is when it starts doing these. This is where it takes over your keyboard here. So it's going to open up CMD. It's going to clear the screen if there's anything there. It's going to hit enter. Now it's going to start typing. It's going to type, "Are you scared?" Huh. Yeah. And it's gonna put your name in here. So whatever your user account name, it's gonna put your name in here. That's where this comes from, where it says environment strings. It's putting your computer username in there. So your computer username is going to be right here. And it's going to say, "Are you scared? I coexist." And it says, "Good, you should be, blah, blah, blah." Or you can hit the other button and it says, "No, you should be." So there's really no getting out of that. Let's see. Now it's going to do, we are going to open up another CMD window. We're going to type dir, which just lists your directories in your Windows subsystem there. And it's going to do it again twice, maybe to make it look like it's doing something. Who knows? Then it's going to say deleting cookies. Okay. Deleting users. Oh no. See, this is where people would kind of get scared. Now it's not actually going to do this, thank God, but you might not be so lucky if someone gave you this. And it's going to say it's deleting drive C, etc. Deleting system 32. That's a classic. And then it's just going to say just kidding. And then yeah. So now that we kind of understand what's going to happen here, let's just run it, right, and see what happens. So the README wants us to run GTA V crack. Sure. Would you like to download GTA V? Yes. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Your system is severely affected by multiple... Oh no. To abort all processes, click abort. I'm pretty sure it wants us to click abort. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, it's typing. Oh no, I'm so spooked. It typed my name. Yes or no? No. Wow, okay, so it's listing stuff. Oh no, it's deleting cookies. It's deleting users. Deleting drive C. Yeah, sure, let's delete it. Wow. Just kidding. I was just gonna spam you with that. Now it's gonna do GTA V bat. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Oh, it's gonna run this. It's gonna run this continuously. Okay, that's what that's doing. Okay. Ah. Okay, so you kind of can't get out of it now. So once I hit this run button or allow this to run, it's gonna pop. It's gonna hit the. It's gonna open this. It's gonna say you didn't say the magic word, and it's gonna continue. It's gonna continuously do this. So let's see. Now, luckily, we have it set to always ask, but let's not always ask. And see, that's what it does. It kind of uses all your oh god. Oh no, guys, my computer's being hacked. No, I'm just kidding. All right, well that's what that does. So it is kind of a troll. Then again, it can lead to crashing your computer. As you can see, my VM is kind of yeah, it's kind of unresponsive now. So what is the moral and what is the purpose of this video? If you're going to download things from the internet, okay, you need to have general knowledge of what's going on. Please, for the love of God, don't let people convince you to download anything you want, because this right here is going to happen. As you can see, an unstable system where I can't click anything. It's dead. It's dead. Face it. The only way to get out of this would be to restart, to be honest. Like there's nothing I could do. You'd actually have to like hard reset your computer because it is stuck. It is stuck at this point. So the thing I'm getting at, you don't want this to happen to you. So don't download things from people that you don't know. If it's just someone random in a Discord server, don't download it. Just ignore it, okay? Unless there are people that you seriously trust, ignore whatever files they're trying to give to you, because it could be this, right? And this isn't even that bad. This is just restart your computer and everything will be fine. You can delete those scripts and nothing ever happened. But it could be worse. They could have actually deleted System32. They could have actually deleted all of your users. They could have actually wiped your hard drive. They could even do less terrible things, but done things in the background instead, to where you wouldn't even think anything happened, right? They could put a keylogger in there. They could syskey your system, which kind of seems pointless because you could just take the CMOS battery out. But they could encrypt files and take them as ransom, such as WannaCry did. They could make your computer part of a botnet. You don't want any of these things happening. So please, don't download anything from the internet that you either A, don't know the source of where it came from, or B, don't trust the person who sent it to you. Just don't download it. Ignore it. Also, another thing I want to bring up is links. Links can be spooky, okay? Links can do bad things. Now, Windows has gotten better to, well, can't say Windows in general, I have to say web browsers, because it's really the web browsers that are doing this. Web browsers have gotten better about automatically downloading and running things. That used to be a problem back in the day, but it doesn't really happen anymore. But things such as JavaScript and all that could have been exploitable and told your browser to execute things that it shouldn't have. Of course, that thing has kind of been fixed. But nowadays, people can still get your IP address via links. So they could get your IP address, get your general location, and then now they could decide to send a denial of service attack to you if they really wanted to. They could... I mean, there's a plethora of things that they could actually do with links as well. Even if you're on a VPN and say whatever site they sent you to used WebRTC, they could get your real IP and then bam, there goes that. So just don't do it, please, for the love of God. Unless you like looking at a computer screen where it's kind of just glitching out and doesn't know what to do. We're gonna kill this. We're gonna kill this now. Now we're just gonna power off. Oh, Lord have mercy. And let's see. We're gonna go back to snapshot 3 there. And now it's as if nothing ever happened. Also, if you want to be one of those people who can call people out for this stuff, you should get yourself a VM or install a VM, because look, now it's as if nothing ever happened. So if you kind of aren't sketched but are sketched, stick it in a VM or look at the code. It's not too hard. I mean, I don't know a lot of coding on Windows, but Lord forbid I can at least look at this, you know, script and figure out, hey, some spooky stuff's gonna happen. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this little video. The reason that my Ubuntu video has been delayed is simply because of the release of the Ubuntu 17.10 beta. I really wanted to wait until the final beta came out before I even started saying anything about it, because things change very rapidly. So hopefully I have that up in the next few days. Anyways, if you like the video, drop a like. Also like the video if you know not to download random shit on the internet. And give it a dislike if you actually downloaded something bad on the... Yeah, well, no, I shouldn't. Wow. That's going to make my disapproval rates go through the building. Never mind, ignore that. If you have any suggestions or videos you'd like to see, leave them down in the comments below. And if you would like to share an experience, you should also leave that down in the comments below. Anyways, until next time, this has been I Coexist on Discord Safety 101. See you next time.